Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Chinese. Last time, we learned some commonly used phrases. Today, I will share more useful daily phrases with you. Are you ready? Let's get started. How are you? What's up? 你怎么样？你怎么样？ Notice that. You might have learned that how are you is 你好吗 in some textbooks, but actually we never use it in our daily life. What have you been up to? 你最近在忙什么？你最近在忙什么？ Long time no see. 好久不见。好久不见。See you later. 回头见。回头见。Take care. 保重。保重。No problem. 没问题。没问题。Sorry. 对不起。对不起。Never mind. 没关系。没关系。Thank you. 谢谢。谢谢。You're welcome. 不客气。不客气。Same here. Me too. 我也是。我也是。Catch you later. 回头再聊。回头再聊。It's on me. 我请客。我请客。Cut it out. 别闹了。别闹了。Mind your own business. 管好你自己。管好你自己。Just kidding. 开玩笑的。开玩笑的。After you. 你先 or 您先请。你先。您先请。Notice that. 您先请 is much more polite and formal than 你先. Therefore, in casual occasions, it's better to use 你先, whereas in formal occasions, it's better to use 您先请. Spill the tea. 快说说。快说说。Don't mention it. 别客气。别客气。How's it going? 最近怎么样？最近怎么样？ I owe you one. 欠你个人情。欠你个人情。My pleasure. 这是我的荣幸。这是我的荣幸。Notice that this expression is very formal, so we rarely use it in our daily life. Give me a hand. 帮我个忙。帮我个忙。Do you need a hand? 需要帮忙吗？需要帮忙吗？ Could you please do me a favor? 能帮我个忙吗？能帮我个忙吗？ Don't take it personally. 别往心里去。别往心里去。Help yourself. 你随意 or 请自便。 你随意，请自便。你随意 is more casual. 请自便 is more formal. So we don't often use it in our daily life. If visitors visit your house, you can also say 像在你自己家一样 to convey help yourself, which literally translates to like you are in your house. Take it easy. 放轻松，放轻松。Good morning. 早上好，早上好。Good evening. 晚上好，晚上好。Good night. 晚安，晚安。Keep in touch. 保持联系，保持联系。Looking forward to. 期待，期待。Can't wait. 等不及，等不及。I'm fed up. 我受够了，我受够了。I'm rooting for you. 我支持你，我支持你。I'm over it. 我已经放下了，我已经放下了。I'm speechless. 无语，无语。I'm freaking out. 我快崩溃了，我快崩溃了。I'm all ears. 洗耳恭听，洗耳恭听。I'm blown away. 我惊呆了，我惊呆了。Break a leg. 演出成功，演出成功。Let's call it a day. 今天就到这儿吧，今天就到这儿吧。No way. 不可能 or 没门儿，不可能，没门儿。Notice that 没门儿 is more often used in spoken Chinese. Count me in. I'm in. 算我一个，算我一个。I'm out. 别算上我 or 我退出，别算上我，我退出。For the difference between 别算上我 and 我退出, please check out my previous video. If you want to get more useful lessons, head over to our website, everydaychinese.com. My bad. 我的错，我的错。Forgive me. 原谅我，原谅我。Be in a bad mood. 心情很差，心情很差。I'm willing to. 我愿意，我愿意。In my opinion. 在我看来，在我看来。To be honest. 说实话，说实话。By the way. 顺便说一下 or 对了， 顺便说一下。对了 ，to tell the truth， 说真的，说真的。all in all， 总而言之，总而言之。generally speaking， 一般来说，一般来说。in fact， 事实上，事实上。to make matters worse， 更糟糕的是，更糟糕的是。from time to time， 时不时，时不时。sooner or later， 迟早，迟早。in the long run， 从长远来看，从长远来看。once in a while， 偶尔，偶尔。it depends， 看情况，看情况。that works， 行得通，行得通。Let me see， 让我想想，让我想想。I suggest， 我建议，我建议。I agree， 我同意，我同意。Fair point， 有道理，有道理。I'm not sure， 我不确定，我不确定。I don't think so， 我不这么认为。or 我不觉得，我不这么认为，我不觉得。Would you mind？ 你介意吗？你介意吗？ Got it。 我明白了，我明白了。I see。 我知道了，我知道了。On the one hand， 一方面，一方面。On the other hand， 另一方面，另一方面。Hold on, 1 second. Wait a moment. 等一下 or 稍等，等一下，稍等。In our daily life， 等一下 is more commonly used. 稍等 is more often used in formal occasions. Hurry up， 快点，快点。Of course， 当然，当然。Not really， 不完全是，不完全是。Sounds good， 听起来不错，听起来不错。Safe trip， 一路顺风 or 一路平安，一路顺风，一路平安。Check in， 入住，入住。Check out， 退房，退房。Get lost， 迷路，迷路。On sale， 促销，促销。A piece of cake， 小菜一碟，小菜一碟。Check bill. 买单，买单。Kill time. 打发时间，打发时间。You've got this. 你能行，你能行。Take a break. 休息一下，休息一下。Same old. 老样子，老样子。Come again. 再说一遍，再说一遍。Catch a cold. 感冒，感冒。Lose weight. 减肥，减肥。Time's up. 时间到，时间到。Butter somebody up. 拍马屁，拍马屁。Take a chance. 试一试，试一试。Figure out. 解决这个问题，解决这个问题。It's your turn. 轮到你了，轮到你了。Beats me. 这可难倒我了，这可难倒我了。Alright, that's all for today. I hope this video helps you improve your Chinese. If you want to learn more with me, please visit our website at everydaychinese.com. Thank you for your support. I will see you next time.